Welcome back, art enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of stone art with a modern twist. From stunning sculptures to intricate wall pieces, stone art has evolved dramatically, blending traditional techniques with contemporary styles. In this video, we'll explore some innovative types of stone art that you absolutely must learn. Whether you're a seasoned artist or just starting out, these creative ideas will inspire you to pick up those stones and start crafting. 5 modern types of stone art you must learn. The world is changing forms at an unbridled rate. So much so that the things that would intrigue a normal mind today might just become mundane and ordinary tomorrow. The world of modern stone art is no different. The concepts and ideas involved in the production of stone arts are evolving at unfathomable rates. Each passing day, some budding artist comes up with their own original ideas, potent of changing the flow of stream. If you are an artist or just an aspirant willing to pursue the art of stone crafts or the art of modern stone sculpture, you cannot afford to be living under the literal rock, for you might be missing out on all the latest developments going on in the ever-changing world of modern stone art. In this blog you will know about the types of stone art you must learn. New people bringing in new ideas are the carriers of the transient times in the age of short-lived art trends. Any artist, budding or established, must keep abreast with all the things newfangled to improve and enhance their skills and abilities. If you are just starting with stone art, you might as well get lost in the deep sea of stone arts. What do you begin with? What do you learn? Where do you start learning from? If you are a serious aspirer, you must begin first by taking command of the few basic things. Here in this article, we will talk about the 5 types of modern stone arts that you must learn. We will also walk you through references of some art platforms that exhibit online sculpture gallery, observing which you could learn a lot. You can even sell modern stone sculpture online there once you start your stone art career. But first things first, let's begin with the types of stone art. Here are the types of stone art you must learn. 1. Stone sculptures. The world of stone arts is so vast that it is very common for a naive person to equalize sculptures with the entirety of the scope of the modern stone arts. The modern stone sculpture is but truly only a small part of the infinite genre of modern stone art. It is the most common and yet the most elaborate form of stone arts. And, if you are going to learn stone art from scratch as a beginner, the sculpture part will get you covered for almost everything that comes later. Most of the artworks carved out of stones are sculpted only, and that is probably why people misunderstand and confuse sculptures with the whole domain of stone art. Sculptures can be statues, raw rock sculptures, free-form 3D art, or any other form that you might want to give the chunk of stone that you are working with. The basic thing to keep in mind is that you must know how to sculpt a piece of stone, because that's the whole point of sculptures. You must be familiar with the use of hammer, chisel, claw chisel and other sculpting tools to start with. Check out some online tutorials to learn more about the tools and their handling. You can also take inspiration from artists having their work featured across the online sculpture gallery. 2. Life-size statues. These statues come much in the category of stone sculptures but are granted their diversity by their size and stature. These sculptures are basic forms of modern stone art and can be sculpted from rough, raw stones, as well as polished ones. While they might take many days to complete due to their humongous size, they are quite easy and basic to sculpt. All you need to is be acquainted with the basic tools and principles of sculpting. The same rules as those in the case of stone sculptures apply for life-sized stone art. 2. You must be patient and hard-working to bring a life-sized artwork to fruition. So those are the qualities you must adhere to. 3. Modern wall art. Talking of modern art, we simply can't miss out this another type of stone art, called stone wall art. This art form is basically an embellishment to simple, routine walls and you can use them as hangings. But the intricate structure and small size of the wall arts, the skills required to carve them are a bit complex than the normal statues and sculptures. To learn to make wall art from stone, you must first learn to identify the right kind of stone to carve out a wall art from. Other than that, you need to learn and understand the usage of fine sculpting tools. You can learn using fine-pointed chisel and claw chisel apart from small hammer. Stone wall arts take quite some time to complete and need a lot of focus and precision. You can learn more about them online. 4. Modern abstract stone art. This abstract form of modern stone art is very much into the trends these days. The independence to execute and express literally any concept through your art is one of the main reasons for the popularity of the abstract stone art. This art form can be shapeless and formless and can also be strictly geometrical. The form, design, and execution of the idea depend completely on the artist's imagination and perception. Modern abstract stone art can be made out of any kind of stone and give artists a chance to explore and experiment with new concepts. If you are just getting started with stone art, you must try your hands in the area of abstract sculptures. 5. Stone pottery. Pottery is undoubtedly one of the most primitive types of stone art. The main reason behind it would be its real utility in ancient ages apart from aesthetic and creative usage. Stone pottery as a decorative item is very much in demand these days too. As a budding artist, you must learn and explore the domain of stone pottery to gain some experience of the commercial side of the stone art. We hope that you found this article useful to begin with modern stone arts. Confident enough? Now is the time to start. Thank you for joining us on this creative journey through the fascinating world of modern stone art. We hope you found inspiration in the various techniques and styles we explored today. Whether you're a seasoned artist or just starting out, there's so much potential to express your creativity with stone. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with fellow art enthusiasts. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more artistic inspiration and tutorials. We'd love to hear your thoughts. What type of stone art are you excited to try? Share your ideas in the comments below. Until next time, keep creating and let your imagination rock. If you want some inspiration, you can go check out this online stone sculpture gallery here. If you have some fine stone sculpture pieces to sell, happy sculpting!